Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about subtraction of dissimilar fractions. And this is under Mathematics 7. Let's have our example number 1. So we have here 2 over 3 minus 1/4. So how are we going to solve for this? Just use the butterfly method. I will show you how. So kindly multiply 2 and 4. So that's 8. We will write 8 here. Minus 3 times 1. So that is 3. Over 3 times 4. So that is 12. And then we have to continue solving. 8 minus 3, that is 5. And then copy the denominator, which is 12. I have here a question for 5 over 12. Is 5 over 12 the final answer? Yes, it is the final answer. Why? The first reason is this. 5 over 12 is a proper fraction, so therefore no need to change that into a mixed number. And the second reason is this. There's no number that can divide your numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder. Therefore, 5 over 12 is the final answer. Next, let us have example number 2. For example number 2, we have here negative 5 over 7 minus 3 over 9. How are we going to solve for it? This is how. Since we are going to use the butterfly method, um, let's solve for this. But first, before using the butterfly method, I just wanted you to be reminded. We have here a negative fraction, which is negative 5 over 7. And also, we have here another negative fraction. So that is negative 3 over 9. So if we are going to combine them, you have to stay focused on their signs. Please notice the signs. They are the same, right? They are both negative. So therefore, your answer should be a negative fraction. No matter what happened, your answer should be a negative fraction because according to the laws of signed numbers, combining negative and negative numbers will result to a negative number. Because what we are going to do with the numerator later is to add them. And that's it. And then copy the sign of the numbers, which is both negative. So let's apply now the butterfly method. So 5 times 9, so that's 45. And then 7 times 3, that's 21. Plus 21. Again, it should be addition here. It is because, as I have mentioned earlier, they are both negative numbers, so therefore they should be added. Then copy the sign. Next, we have to multiply also the denominator. So that's 7 times 9. That's 63. And then let's combine it. Please copy the sign. So negative, we have here 45 plus 21. and that is 66. So we have here 66 over 63. Is this the final answer? No, it's not. It is because there's still a number that can divide 66 and 63 at the same time without remainder. And what is that number? We can use 3. Please set aside the negative number, just copy it. 66 divided by 3, that's 22. 63 divided by 3, that's 21. Is this the final answer? No, it's not. It is because 22 over 21 is an improper fraction, so therefore you should change this into a mixed number. Please set aside the negative number or the negative sign. So we have here 22 divided by 21, so that's 1. 1 times 21 is 21. 22 minus 21 is 1. So please copy the negative sign now, and then please have the quotient, which is 1. It will become the whole number. And then for the numerator, that's 1. And then the denominator, that's 21. So is this the final answer? Yes, it is. Because 1 over 21 is an or already a proper fraction, and there's no number that can divide 1 and 21 at the same time without remainder. And that's it. Let's have another number. So we have here 3 and 1 half minus negative 2 and 2 over 5. Please notice this. We have here negative and negative. So we are going to change that. So it will become 3 and 1 half. Please copy this. Don't do anything with the first given. So negative times negative, that's positive. So plus 2 and 2 over 5. And then proceed to our normal operation. Let's add the whole numbers, which is 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2, that's 5. And then let's have butterfly method for 1 half and 2 over 5. Please set aside 5 first. So 1 times 5 is 5. So let's write 5 here, the whole number, which we are referring to. And then 1 times 5 is 5 for the numerator. And then 2 times 2, that's 4. And the numerator again. 2 times 5, that's 10. And then let's continue. 5, the whole number. 5 plus 4, that's 9 over 10. Is this the final answer? Yes, it is the final answer. It is because 9 over 10 is already a proper fraction. And also, there's no number that can divide the numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder. So that's it for subtraction of the similar fractions. I hope that you have learned something today. If you have inquiries about us, please message our FB page, The Honors Tutorial. Bye and God bless.